the 15th question of the exercise of gravitation. Look what the question says. A stone is thrown vertically upward. Okay. So a stone is being thrown vertically upward. So just a moment, I'll write here 15. Okay. Now a stone is thrown vertically upward with an initial velocity of 40 meters per second. So it's definitely u. So I'll write u 40 meters per second. Clearly, the final velocity of the ball or the stone will be taken as 0. This is for upward journey. Now they clearly said take gravity 10. So gravity is 10 meters per second square. What next, beta? Find the maximum height reached by the stone. Okay, so h is what they need. H, height to which the stone reaches. Okay, no problem. So you have u, v, g, h. So third kinematical equation will be the best one. So v square minus u square, that would be equal to 2 into gravity into what? Height. Okay, v is 0. U is given 40. So I'll write 40 into 40. Fine, beta. Now this is 2 times gravity is given 10, but it's going against the gravity. So I'll take gravity as negative. Multiply by h. Okay, now so I can do one thing, this minus and this minus gets cancelled. Next, one of the zeros, they get cancelled. So what is left here? 40 times 4, and there we have 2h. So I can do one thing, I can just cut this, 2 2s are. So therefore height would be 80 meters. So the maximum height reached by the stone is 80 meters. Okay, done. Next question. What is the net displacement and the total distance covered by the stone? So easy, beta. So I'll just show you with the explanation over here. So this is the ground level what I take. Okay. Now from here the stone goes up and it reaches here and it covers, I mean say it reaches to a height of 80 meters. Now beta, it's understood if it travels 80 meters to go up, so obviously while coming down, reaching the ground, again it will cover 80 meters. So now let us understand the second part of the question. They want us to find the net displacement. Common sense, it goes up, it comes back down, and it again covers 80 meters. So it was initially at this point. Again, the stone reaches the same point. So initial and the final points of the movement are the same. So net displacement has to be 0. And now the total distance covered by the stone, no problem. So to go up, it covers 80. To come back, again it will cover 80. So 80 plus 80, 160 meters will be the total distance covered by the stone. So understand one thing, children, if they ask such questions, what is the net displacement? So you need to write that the initial and the final points of that stone is the same. So net displacement will be 0. And the total distance, what will you write? Distance covered by the stone to go up is 80. So it will cover 80 again to come down. So total distance will be 160 meters. Done. So to find the height to which reaches 1 mark or 2 marks. So displacement and distance half marks. So total 3 marks. So a good question for 3 marks. Okay. And please, as I always say, that keep sharing to your friends. Thank you. Bye-bye.